Alright guys, how you guys doing today? Today is January the 23rd. Tomorrow's my birthday, gonna be the big 5-7. So still stranded here in El Paso waiting for my trailer to get fixed. So I decided to come back over here at Noodles and Dumplings. I had awesome chicken noodle soup the other day, and I'm gonna be a copycat and reorder it. And the only thing different I'm doing, last time I had it, I actually had it after I had lunch or early dinner, and I wanted to be more potent for the body to just focus on that. So rather than have other food in my system, I haven't eaten nothing all day yet. I'm slowly starting to feel better when I'm fasting and I don't have food. But I want to have something strong, so we're having this hot chicken noodle soup with extra chicken. It comes with broccoli, and we're adding garlic to it. So hopefully, boom, garlic is the knockout punch to get my body over this thing. I've been dealing with this on and off for, it's gonna be almost 2 weeks. It wasn't as strong in the beginning, and the last few days it's really been coming on pretty strong. So we're gonna try to give it a Mike Tyson knockout blow with this. Some of the things I could tell you about El Paso here, it's pretty popping and jumping, and it's basically got everything you normally need in a big city. The thing I could tell you, it is definitely modern. They're building this up, so there's a lot of new Amazon buildings coming up here. You got all the cross stuff coming from across the border with Mexico as a trading partner. So there's a lot of stuff that you can get here that you may not be able to get so nearby in the city that you live in now. So if you know Spanish, you're able to speak it fluently and understand it, it does give you an upper hand advantage to communicating. But you don't have to, because there's a lot of Mexican Americans that do speak fluent Spanish and English, so they can help out and translate for you. But overall, I think it's not a bad place to live. Now, keep in mind, Texas, which El Paso is a part of, is a state that's income tax free. So you won't pay state income tax. So it's an advantage. There's only a few states. I know that Florida is one of them. Nevada is the other. I can't remember, is it Oregon or Washington, maybe another. And then there's one more, I don't know if it's Utah or one of the Dakotas, so something like, might even be Montana is the other one. So really looking forward to this. It's funny because the noodles are so long, and the spoon that they give you, because I didn't know if they give you a fork or not. I was struggling to eat it last time. It was really, really good. And come to find out later that what they use to give you, they don't have a knife or nothing, is they literally give you scissors. So these are special, I guess, food scissors that they give you, and I was cutting it up. And I was saying to myself, it was a good idea, but a little bit after the fact, because I was struggling so long, because they give you a huge bowl, and you'll see it. So this time, I asked them if they could cut the noodles up first. It'll make it a lot easier to eat, Plus, I'm going to put a little bit of the spiciness in it, so this way it'll come out good. Let's see how much Kias we got left here. There's some stuff going on.
Fine.
Oh, you sure?
Yeah.
You're strong.
I know how to handle him.
You could put it right here.
There you go, sir.
Okay.
Hopefully that
So we
works.
got extra chicken in there, and you cut it up for me, so I appreciate it.
You want
Thank
an extra chicken?
Yeah.
Let me bring it on this because I didn't put it on the
Okay,
thing. So
you
let me
didn't?
get- no.
Oh, is it enough? You think it's bastante?
I don't know. Do you want to check or you want to order more?
This will be fine this time.
If not,
No problem.
let me know, okay? And I'll bring you
Thank
more.
you, thank
Yes,
you.
sir.
All right, I guess they forgot the extra chicken, but look at this, guys. You think I'm kidding? Let me move the thing there. I mean, look at this. Looky here. They put the little hot stuff in there. You put the garlic, right?
Yes, sir.
All right, thank you, ma'am. All right, that's the important thing. So we missed out on some extra chicken. Nice. Nice and hot, you know. Let's move on over here. Oh, it lets us switch while we're recording. All right, sounds good. Shit's good. Man, this thing is working fast. Can I bother you for napkins?
Napkin.
Napkins. More. No bother. Oh, right here?
Yeah.
Okay, I didn't know. I forgot. Thank you. Look at them trucks so neatly standing up. That is powerful. Ooh, a big ass spoon. Mm. My body is saying like, what the hell is this? This is like reinforcements. I usually drink a lot of soda. I don't want it to cool down the heat effect because I think the heat is where it's at. Really good. The portion's unbelievable. I think the normal is about 15 bucks. And they got the various types of soup. Yeah, pork soup, beef soup. I even think they got seafood soup as well. Definitely juicy. So I'm trying to eat it fast to get all that heat in my body. Man, I got so many napkins. I was waking up with some head pain. I know it's part of the brain trying to fight off the whatever this was. I got a call from my boss a little while earlier. And broker is getting a little antsy with the amount of time it's taking for the repair. So my boss was talking to me about the possibility of maybe us just renting another trailer if it's going to take too long to repair our original trailer. And in case you're not aware, I have damage to the floor frame rails. They're like the cross members in the back of the trailer, and they hold up the wooden floor on our particular trailer because it's a 53-foot drive-in. So part of the floor actually warped with the weight of the cargo, and the edges of the cross beam actually bent and had cracks in them. There's multiple ones that need to be, I don't want to say repaired, they need to be replaced. That's the right thing. So since they have to get replaced, the guy that is working on it, the mechanic, he was having, I guess he's an auto body guy because that's what it is. It's not mechanical work. He says he's having issues removing the old studs that screw through the wood, hold the wood to the cross members. So I know he knows what he's doing, but I told him, I said, maybe you're going to heat them bolts up with a torch. Because they kind of like screw through the wood. I know it's not plywood, but it's wooden floor. But it actually screws into the metal frame rails. That's where it bites to hold everything down. So I'm gonna stop by over there in a little while because it's a little slow going. The guy seems like a real cool guy, but you know, time is money, you know. So, being that I'm under the weather, you know, I don't mind too much the loss of time. But as a truck driver, you know, if you're not driving, you ain't making money. So I actively been trying to put this downtime to good use. Not sure what part of the country you're located in, but there's big snowstorms and blizzards and road closures and that kind of stuff. So through the bad of this, there's actually some good where I'm not in harm's way with that snow and stuff like that. Everything's good. Thank you. But now it looks like because of the delay getting it fixed, there may be a rush on now because us as a trucking company, you know, we don't own the product, we just transport it. And the broker, who's the middle person, also doesn't own it, but it's for their customer. And the customer happens to be a big account for them. And somehow I think it's actually a division of the government, USAID. Fortunately, it's actually a dry food load. Sealed in boxes. I think it's dry, sealed or something. I thought it might even be something like, you know, those doomsday prepper meals that they sell. I think it has something to do with that. I'm gonna finish this because I need all the help my body could get. I finished it this time. I'll show you. All done. I should go easy on that. Boy, it sucks feeling sick. I don't get sick too often, but when I do, it kind of knocks me out. I normally don't get a chance to get this type of rest, so I've been getting some rest, but I haven't reaped the benefits of that rest yet. Very, very nice place here. See if I can switch it up so you guys can take a look a little bit. Nice ceilings. They have lamps, not lamps, but rope lamps, rope lights that are actually inside pieces of like rope, literally thick rope. So they're able to disguise the power for the lights. They're able to disguise the power of the lights through the rope. So I don't know if you can see it so well. But pretty unique. I've never seen that before. Almost worries me a little bit because you got the heat from the bulbs, and you got rope that could act like a kindle for starting a fire. I don't feel better, but I think I feel better. Where should I move it? Where should I move it out? Still trying to figure out some of these settings here. It says 1.5. Let's switch it a second. How's that for a little bit? Oh, that line there, that's actually my cell phone charger line. Sorry about that. Probably confused the hell out of you. You thought it's some noodles that got away? So, I wonder what this button is for. Oh gosh. I'm supposed to go to the trailer guy shortly and check up on the status. I spoke to him earlier today. I actually stopped by there last night. It's an open location, so I was able to take a peek inside and just see not much got started, but he was telling me today, earlier I was mentioning, he was having issues removing the bolts that hold the plywood to the floor. And, I hope he giddy ups a little bit, and maybe sometimes, people are doing work. You got to check up on them. I found out today when I spoke to my boss that he called my boss yesterday and asked for an advance. And when people usually ask for an advance, it is a business, but they get a little commitment from you, but now they slow their roll because they got part of the money. So let's see how that goes. So I've been driving around bobtail, which makes it easier. we're back. Let's see what the time is and make sure it's doing. Yep. So I think it's working its magic a little bit. But I think the main thing is I need to not eat as often and let the body fight this without nourishing the infection, I guess, bacteria or whatever, the cold, by feeding the body and then absorb some of its nutrients to make it stronger again. So if we're gonna try to starve it out, right? It's like my body's got invaded by some of those, squatters. So these parasites are squatters. So hopefully we get that done. I wonder what else I'm gonna do. I've been looking at trading this phone in. This is actually one of those razor phones. It's the Razor Plus. I've got it about 4 or 5 months now. I don't use it like I'm supposed to because it's a second phone line. I do have TV service on it, so it works out good. I've been pushing myself to maybe trading it in and getting that Samsung Z Fold 6 phone. So I took a look at it the other day here. They always tell you they got a special promotion for you because you're an existing customer, but it'll be almost a $2,000 phone. I think they're gonna give it to me for $1,200 or something. But I gotta pay the taxes and upgrade on, so it's gonna cost me $200 and change probably to get out of this one. And I got a good deal on this one. But my bill's up there pretty high. It's about 200 and something a month, so I really need to look to see if I can do something about that. So, let's see what happens. Crystal ball is looking like it might have to be. That freight needs to maybe go in another trailer, and we'll rent that trailer, and then I'll leave El Paso with that trailer, go deliver it, and then maybe come back in a week or so, and hopefully our original trailer will be done. At this point, I've already lost a few days, and don't normally get paid for my time, but I know my boss is going to compensate me a little bit. But rough. See what happens. But anyway, guys, I want to say thank you for joining me on my soup lunch. Very good. And I hope, by the way, you guys are all safe. I know part of the country got some big snow, road closures, blizzards. Here in Florida, parts of Florida got some snow. So just be safe, and if you don't have to be on the road, don't be out there. And if you are, and it's cold weather, man, buckle up. Don't be shy. I went ahead and bought myself a scarf. Check my neck. There's a lot of stuff. The neck's open, and you may be warm up on top of your body, but your neck is exposed. And remember, that blood flow there goes to the brain and back down. So you could get a headache or sick real quick like that. But we're good. So I did get a scarf. I'm just Just take care of yourself, man. It's expensive getting sick. You know, there's no sale on getting sick. You gotta be a real lazy person if you want to get sick, so you don't have to work and all that crap. Messing around with prescriptions, going to the doctor, paying out of pocket. And like I said, it's expensive getting sick. So, anyway, guys, thank you. Please like, share, and subscribe. Hit that like button. You know, we're trying to get up there, get our subscriptions going, and I try to bring you all diversified content. So, check out some of my other videos I have. I gotta still learn my way around and figure stuff out and put all the fancy buttons on, but we're getting there. It all starts with a like and subscribe. God bless. Be safe. Okay. Take care.